Hey besties, welcome back to the vlog. Today I have something special. This was actually an impromptu day at the beach. So come along, hope you enjoy. So for those who are new to the channel, I'm from SoCal, and this particular day it was actually after hours and we decided to go to the beach. We went to Laguna Beach. It was giving vibes and waves all through. Say something.
Hi guys, we are at the beach.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Today is Thursday and it's around 6:30 after hours, after work. We are chilling at the beach. We are outside and I want to introduce someone to the vlog today. I'm not by myself. I've been by myself, but I want to introduce someone. Drum rolls. There she is. So introduce yourself, buddy.
Hi guys, this is Nyadiemo. You can check me out on YouTube and enjoy my amazing vlogs. And today we are with Meet or Dingy.
Yay! Just check her out. See, give us a 360. Where you don't get this anywhere but Kisumu, Seme. So if you are an outdoorsy person or being outside is more for you, then this is your video. There's a lot of activities you can do by the beach. As you can see, there's like volleyball. If you love running, you can run by the trails. If you love surfing, then Laguna Beach has the best waves. It's known for the best waves too as well. As you can see, it's not as congested, it looks clean, and mainly because of its location. This is a very upscale neighborhood. if I must say. So it's well kept, very clean, not as congested. A beautiful spot for you to like just come, or even come for a date, a picnic, whatever you may feel like doing. Also, if you love taking pictures, then this is a good spot for you. We took lots of pictures and TikTok videos. We were just vibing and having fun. It was just very, very peaceful. And we were able to let loose and just be ourselves and minding our own business pretty much. I must say I am growing at a very fast speed. You know, by the time I uploaded this video, I have over 70 subscribers and I'm very appreciative. So at this point, I was just copying what Brandy is doing. Nyadiemo, she goes by Nyadiemo on YouTube. She's done this for a long time. So I was pretty much copying her because, of course, she knows what she's doing. She's grown so much. So whatever she's capturing, I'm capturing. Her settings, I'm putting on my settings. So, and that's how you learn, guys. You learn from people who've done it and you try to like perfect your skills. So I was just like following her. She didn't even know. But check her out. She's very dope. Her videos are high quality, very well edited. She is doing amazing things on
because I just want to be as great as her.
So shout out to Nyadiemo.
Whenever she's taking a video, I'm taking a video.
As I was saying, I'm growing at a very swift speed. I now have over 70 subscribers. Shout out to the 69 subscriber, Josephine Esses. I hope I pronounced your name right. Josephine Esses 1928. Shout out to you. Yes, we will not forget you and we receive the prayers and thank you so much. So thank you. Keep subscribing and shout out to Wonodidi. He's doing a good job with his channel as well. He's grown too, so check him out. Wonodidi. I don't know if you've heard of this saying, the best things in lives, the best gifts in lives are actually free. Like the gift of nature, just think about it. The gift of nature, and you cannot buy this. You cannot buy like just the peace that comes with good nature and the peace that comes with like natural resources and stuff like that. You can buy that. So just look at that. How amazing, and you get to appreciate what Mother Earth has given us. So shout out to nature and good vibes. If you've watched till this part of my video, I just want to appreciate you and say thank you for watching. Until next time, enjoy the rest of the video. There's really not much we were doing at this point. I'm just goofing around. I cannot run for the life of me. I'm not a runner. I used to get in trouble for not running even when the bell rings, so that's me. So I cannot run, but I'll start running. I'll try. But it was fun all together. So thank you for watching. Until my next video. Bye bye. Later, besties.